In my last video, I explained how people lose money to land scams in Abuja. Today, I'm going to show you something even more important: how to verify land document properly before you pay for any plot. If you don't know how to verify land document, you are taking a serious financial. Many buyers assume once they see document, the land is safe. But the document can be fake, duplicated, altered, or not properly registered. Verification is what protects your investment. First ask, what type of title does the land have? Is it certificate of occupancy, right of occupancy, or allocation letter? Request survey plan, allocation letter if applicable, title document, seller identification. Without this, don't proceed. This is the most important step. Visit the Federal Capital Territory Land Department and conduct a land search. Confirm the real owner, the title authenticity, if there are any encumbrances, if the land has government acquisition issue. Take the survey plan to a registered surveyor. Let them confirm the location, the coordinate, whether the land fall under government acquisition. A property lawyer can detect issues the average buyer may miss. This small cost can prevent massive financial loss. Trusting verbal promises, skipping physical inspection, paying deposit before verification, rushing because of limited offer. Never let urgency pressure you. If you want to invest safely in Abuja land, subscribe to this channel. I am here to guide you step by step. And if you need help verifying documents before buying, my WhatsApp is in the description. In land investment, verification is not optional, it's protection. Take your time and protect your money. Bye for now.